Ever had your laptop freeze right when you hit Run on AutoCAD or MATLAB? Today I'm showing you 5 spectacular laptops that will never let that happen again, perfect for engineering students. Stay tuned to find the one that fits your needs, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab your. At number 5 is the Acer Swift X14 SFX 1471 G76 LC. Imagine having a slim, light laptop that still packs enough muscle to run CAD drafts, simulations, code compilations, and design tasks without choking. That's what the Swift X14 SFX 1471 G76 LC tries to deliver. With a powerful Intel Core i7-13700H CPU, RTX 4050 GPU, 1 TB SSD, and a vivid 14.5-inch 2.8K OLED screen, it tackles heavy engineering workloads and creative tools with ease. The display's color accuracy and sharp detail make CAD drawings and schematics crisp, while the compact portable chassis fits easily in your backpack for campus or lab work. But it isn't flawless. Fans can get loud under load, and battery life, especially during intense tasks, is modest compared with lighter Ultrabooks. For students needing power and portability for design-heavy courses or multitasking, this feels like a strong, balanced pick. If your focus is long battery endurance or total silence, you may want something quieter or more efficient. But for engineering class heavy lifting on the go, this one delivers impressive bang for buck. At number 4 is Apple MacBook Air 15-inch. Ever wondered if a thin, fanless laptop can truly handle the heavy demands of engineering coursework, CAD drawings, code compilation, simulations, and multitasking, without turning into a slow, overheated headache? The Air 15-inch absolutely proves it can. With the blazing fast chip, 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, it runs MATLAB, CAD tools, code editors, and dozens of browser tabs without breaking a sweat, while the 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display gives you plenty of space for diagrams, spreadsheets, and designs. The battery lasts well over a full lab day, so you don't need to carry the charger everywhere. It stays whisper quiet and remains cool thanks to Apple's efficient design. Downsides: ports are few, just 2 USB-C or Thunderbolt, so you might need dongles. And for heavy Windows-owned engineering software, you may hit compatibility issues. All in all, if you prioritize reliability, portability, and smooth performance for most engineering tasks, this Air feels like a smart, worry-free choice. On number 3 is Acer Swift X14. Ever thought a slim, lightweight laptop could pack serious power for CAD work, simulations, coding, and design without weighing down your backpack? Acer Swift X14 does just that. With its Intel Core Ultra 7 CPU and a dedicated engineering software, CPU, CAD, modeling tools, simulation suites, with real speed and stability. The 14.5-inch 2.8K OLED 120Hz display gives crisp clarity for blueprints, diagrams, or renderings. It feels portable and refined for class and campus life, yet powerful enough for demanding workloads. Downsides? Battery life drops faster under heavy GPU load, and fans can get noisy during intense tasks. If you're after a balanced machine, powerful, portable, and capable for engineering plus creative work, this Swift X14 is a strong, smart choice. For those prioritizing long battery life or silent work, a lighter Ultrabook or conservative model might fit better. At number 2 is HP Envy 16-inch. What if your student laptop could double as a powerhouse workstation for CAD, simulations, coding, and multimedia projects without feeling like a bulky desktop replacement? HP Envy 16 brings that possibility alive. With a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700H and Intel Arc A370M, higher GPU or optionally discrete graphics, it delivers strong performance for heavy engineering workloads, design tools, and multitasking demands. Its 16-inch WQXGA 2560x1600 or optional 2.8K OLED display delivers sharp visuals for blueprints, drawings, and detailed diagrams, great for technical sketches or project presentations. The build quality, ports, and display size make it ideal when you need screen space and processing muscle. Downsides: battery life isn't stellar under heavy tasks, and the chassis can run warm if pushed hard, not as light or silent as Ultrabooks. If you want a reliable, powerful laptop for engineering work, lab projects, and design tasks, this feels like a confident, well-rounded pick. If portability, stamina, or maximum silence matter most, consider a lighter option instead. Now, moving to the last one is Acer Nitro 16. Ever thought a gaming-style laptop could double as your engineering workstation and still be portable enough for campus? Acer Nitro 16 pulls that off surprisingly well. With an AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS CPU and an NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU, it slices through CAD, simulations, coding, and even lighter 3D rendering without struggle. The 16-inch UXGA 165Hz screen gives you plenty of space and smooth refresh for complex diagrams and multitasking, ideal if you juggle code, designs, and documentation. Built-in cooling and solid ports make it dependable. Downsides, it's heavy compared with Ultrabooks. The 512GB SSD and default RAM can feel tight if you load many projects, and battery life dips under heavy load. If you want a robust, high-performance machine for engineering work and occasional gaming or design, this Nitro feels like a smart, reliable buy. If mobility and battery endurance are top priority, you might lean toward lighter, more efficient laptops. Pick Acer Nitro 16 as the winner because it delivers powerful CPU plus GPU performance, a large, smooth 16-inch display, and enough ports and cooling to handle heavy engineering tasks, CAD, simulations, or rendering. It may be bulkier than Ultrabooks, but that bulk means strength and versatility. This isn't a survey, it comes from visitors or engineering students who need serious performance and future-proof capability. Nitro 16 gives the best balance of power, flexibility, and reliability among the fives. So, guys, this was the video about the top 5 best laptops for engineering students. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.